Join me for a bike ride on a beautiful trail that wasn't built by any level of government, but rather by private enterprise in the service of the community of Val-des-Bois in the province of Quebec. Val-des-Bois, or Valley of the Woods, is a small community that was built around the lumber trade in the mid-1800s. The last sawmill closed in 2002, and now the main industry is tourism. The permanent population is about 850 people, but more than doubles in the summer when the cottagers make their annual migration. Most of the village businesses can be seen along the main road, Highway 309. The local merchants can't rely on the cottagers for survival. Many of the city folk who drive to their cottages for the weekend come equipped with their own supplies, so I don't think they spend a lot of money in the village. The village offers some of the basics, such as a dollar store, a pharmacy, a hardware store, a fast food outlet that serves the national dish, the poutine, and, also a store that sells soft ice cream cones. Yum. And to do penance for my gluttony, I can ask forgiveness at the full-size crucifix on this homeowner's lawn. We've arrived at the Municipal Recreation Center, and if we have kids, we can take them to the playground. And if we have art lovers, we can park them in front of this unusual suspended sculpture. And since we've come to ride the trail, we study the map for a few minutes, and away we go. The trail winds through a forest of pines on the property of Evolugen, a branch of Brookfield Renewable Energy Company. If you'd like more information about electric bikes or bicycle campers, have a look at all my video titles by typing www.youtube.com/c/robertberrio/videos in the web address bar of your browser. Thank you for your interest.